Hello English learners, and today we're going to have a grammar quiz. Some, any, every or no. Let's start. Number 1. Please check if there is in the fridge for dinner. Anything, nothing or someone. And the correct answer is anything. Here we're talking about unlimited amount of food. We won't use nothing because it doesn't make any sense, and we won't keep anyone in the fridge for dinner. Number 2. Has to take responsibility for the broken window. Anyone, no one, someone. Here I refer to one person, that's why we're going to choose the answer someone. Number 3. We haven't seen at the party who matches your description. Anyone, no one, someone. It's a negative sentence, so here we're going to use anyone. Number 4. She can speak to about her issues. They will offer support. Anyone, none, or somebody. The correct answer will be somebody, because she needs to speak to a person who will offer her support, not anybody else. Number 5. You can find good restaurants in this area. It's known for its diverse cuisine. Anywhere, nowhere, somewhere. The correct answer is anywhere. This area is known for good cuisine, so you can find good restaurants anywhere in this area, in any place here. You can find good restaurants anywhere in this area. It's known for its diverse cuisine. Number 6. There is like a warm cup of tea on a cold winter evening. Nothing, anything, something. The correct answer is nothing. There is nothing like a warm cup of tea on a cold winter evening. There is nothing better. Number 7. Have you found who can fix the leak in faucet in the kitchen? Anybody? None? Someone. Have you found anyone who can fix a leaking faucet in the kitchen? Number 8 is welcome to join the book club. It's open to all avid readers. No one, everyone, somebody. The club is open for all public, for all readers. So the correct answer will be everyone. Everyone is welcome to join the book club. Number 9. He said, so I assume he didn't like the surprise. Anything, nothing, something. He said nothing, so I assume he didn't like the surprise. Number 10. We have left to discuss. Everything has been clarified. We have nothing left to discuss because we clarified everything. So how many have you got right? Write down your answers in the comment box. For more videos like this, follow my channel. Bye bye for now.